So next we're going to add a DTO so that we can return something for our comments that's shaped the way that we want to return it. And we'll also add a mapping profile here as well. So what we'll do, we'll head up to our application layer, and inside here we're going to create a new folder for a new feature called comments. And inside here we're going to add a comment DTO. So we'll say comments DTO, and what we're going to have in here is the properties, of course, for our comment. So we're going to have an int for the ID. We're going to have a date time for the created at, and we'll need to bring in a system to use this. And we'll add a string for the body, and we'll add a string for the username of the user that made the comment. We'll add a string for the user's display name, and we'll add a string for the user's image as well. Now, Automapper is going to struggle to create most of these. It's going to be fine with the first three, but we are going to need to configure the last three properties in our DTO. So we'll go to our mapping profiles, and inside here we need to create a new map that's going to, of course, go from our comment to our comment DTO. So let's go ahead and create this. So we'll create a new map, and we're going to go from the comment to the comment DTO. And we'll need to bring in the comment DTO from application comments. And I spy an opportunity to be lazy here, because our activity attendee to attendee DTO covers almost all of what we need here. So I'm just going to copy this configuration and paste it into the comments and clean things up inside here. So we don't need the bio because that's not one of our properties in our comments, so I'll remove that, and all we need to do here is change app user for the author. So in each case we're just going to change app user to author. Just add the period between author and username. Slightly lazy, I know, but it is exactly what we need for our comment DTO here. We need the display name, the username, and the image. So now that we have what we're returning and we've added the mapping, what we'll do next is we'll create some handlers, or two handlers we need. We need a create handler to add a new comment, and we're also going to want to be able to list the comments for a specific activity. And we'll take a look at that next.